The spring is nice, it stayed up inside the pulleys. And now the other side, the spring's loose, so I'll change this one next. Since this spring is not broken, all I have to do is open the garage door. It's gonna release the tension, and then I can just come up here and remove my spring, and then I can lower my garage door. So again, it's going to be very similar on this side. I have the safety cable here that I have to loosen up. So once I've removed that end of the safety cable, then I can just pull it through. So after removing the pulley, I'm going to set the spring inside the pulley as well as the cable. And we'll get those up inside there, and then we'll tighten that down. So now that I have the spring and pulley hanging, then I'm gonna next thread my safety cable. And remember to thread it through the pulley as well. Next I'm gonna hang my safety cable. My next step is to open the garage door. And you can see I just have a ton of loose cable here, so I'm gonna have to make sure that that gets set. But now that the garage door is open, I can take this spring and I can pull that up and attach it. Putting the spring in place, I'm going to check to make sure that my pulleys are set, make sure that all my cables are connected properly, and this one is not. And then the last thing we have to do is tighten up our safety cable. And so this just broke today, and I ran up to the hardware store, up to Home Depot, and bought this set, and I believe it was $24. Next I'm going to remove those boards that I put in, set the garage door to the lock position. Perfect. Please check out one of my other videos. We also have a video of how to program your CRAFTSMAN garage door opener. So this garage door spring broke. I ran up to Home Depot, got the spring that I needed, came back home. It took me about 2 hours with recording to get this done. I got both sides done. If you're unsure what to do, you can always look over at the side that's not broken. If you're totally unsure, just close up the garage door, call a technician. But it is something that's fairly simple. I think most people should be able to get this without any issues. Hopefully this helps. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.